Alright, we're back here at the property now, and I've got it loaded up like I said earlier. I got about 200 grains of roughly black powder in there, or Pyrodex black powder equivalent. And in here I got ourselves a little stump that's been carved out and hollowed out. We use that as an extra protection, you know, just in case something does blow apart, but it fits right inside there. And you can't see it here, but it's gonna make some noise because it's all coming out the top anyways, right? So let me set this down and then make sure everybody's behind cover, and I will set this fuse off.
Do not step on this shirt, okay?
Alright, here we go. I got the camera set up right here. You guys back in safety?
Yep.
Alright, are you going to get behind the tree? I would pick one to get behind. Alright, guys. I already warned the neighbors next door so they know about it. You guys got a spot?
Yep.
Alright. Here we go. Fire in the hole!
Holy crap. Yo! I knew it was coming and it still jump scared me.
Tornado!
That didn't jump scare me. You guys see the smoke ring? Stand. I'm hopping in.
Smells good.
What now?
That's way young.
Yeah.
Okay, so it blew the stump apart. Let's see how it...
Yeah, I got a stick.
Alright, it's really hot right now. Hold on, let it go. So there's the cannon after it's been blown up.
It destroyed the stump.
Weld survived
Look at the bottom of it.
enough to live another day. Hope you enjoyed that, guys.